हेलो एवरीवन, आशा करते हैं आप सभी अच्छे हैं। आज इस क्लास में हम बात करेंगे क्लोज टेस्ट पार्ट 3 को लेकर। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Disclaimer: The images used in a slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sarthi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Question number 1. In the passage given below, there are blanks which are to be filled with the options given below. Find out the appropriate word in each case, which can most suitably complete the sentence without altering the meaning of the sentence. IBPS Clerk Mains 2019. पैसेज दिया गया है. In contrast to the nationalistic thrust of the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party (AAP) campaign is completely centered on local issues and on egalitarian deliveries that the state government has made in the past few years. तो egalitarians का मतलब क्या होता है? समतावादी, समानवादी एक तरीके से. Arvind Kejriwal has been politically dashed, and while he has been critical of the government for its CAA NRC pincer, he has not campaigned the cause of protesters. He, in fact, neither visited Shaheen Bagh nor Jawaharlal Nehru University. Smartly, he has lent support to the students of the university too, but did not wear their cause on his sleeve. Kejriwal has made a conscious bid to insulate Dash. It is evident that he was aware that the BJP bereft of local issues and floundering on the economic front at the national level would eventually reply its old tracks. The BJP has done this amply before Shah's statement eliciting people's anger. Modi has infamously asserting that the agitators could be recognized by the clothes they wear. Furthermore, at a recent party event, he said there was no need to pursue inclusive politics. The BJP's task has become more difficult because it cannot criticize Kejriwal for his largesse and consistent distribution of freebies to the people. The BJP government at the center, it may befriend, publicize its microeconomic deliveries to offset its failure on the macroeconomic record. Kejriwal is also not very consultative on party matters and has at times appeared to mirror Modi in terms of persona and work style. He has learned his lessons and jettisons the image of being the image of being of a winner and someone given to disrupting governance. The BJP misreading what Kejriwal was up to in months, leading the polls and appears certain to pay the price for this. The BJP will certainly hope for a split in the anti-BJP vote and wish to Congress garners enough votes in every constituency to give it a fighting chance, but the Congress remains dashed at the local level as well as nationally. Since 2013, when the AAP made a transition from being a movement to a party, the political in the capital has become progressively bipolar, with the Congress having done little to reverse this process and secure the confidence of voters. It remains headed for benches reserved for also rents. It is important for Modi and the BJP to regain political momentum because another reverse in the capital will hamper poll preparations in Bihar. With the Northeast already in ferment over CAA, the stakes for the BJP have become bigger. There are still several days before Delhi goes to the polls, and importantly, Modi is yet to get into campaign mode. But the AAP has a captive vote base which may well be guided. Question: which of the following words given in the options should come at the place marked as A in the above paragraph to make it grammatically correct and meaningful? Also, the word should fill in the blanks given in two sentences given below to make them contextually correct and meaningful. So, sentence 1 है, he was an dash businessman who easily could turn a profit. 2 है, second है, she was dash enough to realize that ED is just doing his mother's bidding. Options है A astute, B ponder, सी कंप्लाइज, डी इंटरप्रेट, ई नन। तो दिए गए ऑप्शन में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है ए astute। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, द वर्ड astute means having or showing an ability to accurately assess situations or people and turn this to one's advantage। shrewd, astute का मतलब होता है चतुर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इन द पैसेज गिवन below there are blanks which are to be filled with the options given below। Find out the appropriate word in each case which can mostly suitably complete the sentence without altering the meaning of the statement। So the same passage। Question है, which of the following phrases should fill in the blank in B to make it contextually correct and meaningful? A, this poll from national issues। B, this section of issues। C, from the issues। D, those poll of issues। E, none। तो दिए गए ऑप्शन में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है ए, दिस पोल फ्रॉम नेशनल इशूज। सोल्यूशन है दिस पोल फ्रॉम नेशनल इशूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द सेम पैसेज। क्वेश्चन है हमारा, choose the part which has an error in it as your answer। If there is no error, then choose option E as your answer। A, before Shah's statement eliciting। B, people's anger Modi has। C, infamously asserting that the agitators could be। D, recognized by the clothes they wear। E, no error। दिए गए ऑप्शन में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है सी, इनफेमसली asserting that the agitators could be। सोल्यूशन है use asserted in place of asserted। Question number 4, in the passage given below there are blanks which are to be filled with the options given below। Find out the appropriate word in each case which can most suitably complete the sentence without altering the meaning of the statement। IBPS clerk means 2019। The same passage। Question है, the sentence given in D has 4 words given in bold। Amongst the given bold words, which of the following must replace each other to make the sentence contextually correct and meaningful? A, deliveries failure। B, recall front। C, failure front। D, deliveries recalled। E, no error। तो दिए गए ऑप्शन में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा बी, रिकॉल फ्रंट। सोल्यूशन है द वर्ड्स रिकॉल एंड फ्रंट शुड बी इंटरचेंज्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, सेम पैसेज। क्वेश्चन है, word is given in bold in E। Choose the word which should replace the word given in bold to make the sentence correct and meaningful। If no change is required, choose option E as your answer। ऑप्शन है divesting, hinders, garners, promulgating, none of the above। तो दिए गए ऑप्शन में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर क्यों पढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है सी, गार्नर्स। सोल्यूशन है गार्नर इज ग्रामेटिकल एंड कॉन्टेक्चुअली करेक्ट हियर। सेम पैसेज। क्वेश्चन है, which of the following words given in the options should come at the place marked F in the above paragraph to make it grammatically correct and meaningful. Also, the word should fill in the blank given in the two sentences given below to make them contextually correct and meaningful. One under whom the Polish government has been well described as a dash ship in a stormy sea. Second, a country or a person that is dash does not have a clear aim or a strong leader to follow. A ruthless, B rudderless, C shrewd, D tranquil, E none. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा बी रडरलेस। सोल्यूशन है rudderless is a perfect fit for the blanks. The word rudderless means lacking a clear sense of one's aims or principles. Question number 7. In the passage given below, there are blanks which are to be filled with options given below. Find out the appropriate word in each case which can most suitably complete the sentence without altering the meaning of the statement. Amid a spate of lynching purportedly amid a spate of lynching purportedly dash by messages on its platform, WhatsApp or on Wednesday said it is horrified by the dash and dash to dash the government a dash acts of violence steps being taken by the company abuse of the messaging platform had on Tuesday issued warning to the social media platform asking it to take immediate measures to prevent the spread of irresponsible and explosive messages. It has categorically told the popular messaging platform that cannot dash in it is it its accountability on the issue. तो ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं halted, stopped, tethered, triggered, pacing up. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है डी ट्रिगर्ड। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें ट्रिगर्ड कोज बाय पर्टिकुलर एक्शन प्रोसेस और सिचुएशन। आई होप आपने इस सेशन से काफी कुछ सीखा। फिर से आपसे मुलाकात करेंगे किसी अन्य सेशन में। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।